Tips about food after a flood. Do not eat food that has been in contact with flood water. If electricity has been off, refrigerated food may have spoiled. Discard any food that has been at room temperature for more than 2 hours, or if it has an unusual odor or color. Thawed food from freezers may be safe for consumption or refreezing if it is still partially frozen or is refrigerator cold. Babies on formula should be given ready-to-feed formula or powdered formula prepared with bottled drinking water. Wash hands with soap and disinfected water before eating or handling food, after cleanup work, and after handling flood water contaminated items.